Can 30 minutes a day really change your body? Hey there, you incredible human. We've all said it at some point, I don't have time to work out. Life gets crazy, family, work, school, you name it. But here's the big question, do you really need hours in the gym to build a strong, lean, healthy body? Or could 30 minutes a day be enough to transform your life? Spoiler alert, it absolutely can. Today, we're diving into why 30 minutes is a game changer, backed by science, and how you can make it work for you with calisthenics. Get ready to feel inspired, empowered, and ready to take action. Let's do this. 1. Busting the myth, fitness doesn't need hours, so why do so many of us think fitness means an endless grind? You know the image, 2-hour gym sessions, sweat-soaked training montages, all-or-nothing vibes. That's outdated. The truth is, short, focused workouts can deliver huge results, especially with calisthenics. You don't need a gym membership, fancy equipment, or a big space. All you need is your body, maybe a pull-up bar, and 30 minutes of commitment. And guess what? This isn't just for beginners, even you die-hard weightlifters out there can benefit from this approach. The science backs it up, and we're about to break it down for you. Let's talk about what really matters, staying healthy and looking great. 2. Health first, the power of minimal time. Let's start with health, because living a long, vibrant life is the foundation of everything. A 2002 meta-analysis studied over 260,000 people and found something incredible. Just 30 to 60 minutes of muscle strengthening activity per week, not even per day, can lower your risk of heart disease, cancer, and even early death. That's right, half an hour a week can move your health in the right direction. That's a blessing in itself. You don't need a grueling 6-day gym schedule to feel better, live longer, and thrive. The bar is low, and you're already capable of clearing it. So, let's keep that momentum going and talk about physique, because we know you want to look good too. 3. Building muscle in 30 minutes, the science of physique. Host. Now, let's get to the part most of you are curious about. Can 30 minutes a day build a strong, lean physique? The answer is a resounding yes. A 2016 study on training volume found that more sets per muscle group per week lead to more muscle growth, but here's the exciting part, the returns diminish fast. Doing 10+ sets per muscle group weekly gets you maximum growth, but just 5 sets gets you about 70% of that growth, not 50%, but 70%. And even 3 sets per week? You're still hitting around 50% of the max. That's not some tiny fraction, it's real, visible progress. So, for all you busy folks out there, you can work out 30% as hard and still get 50% of the look good benefits. That's the beauty of calisthenics, efficiency. Pull-ups hit your back and biceps. Push-ups work your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Squats fire up your legs and core. You're stacking gains in less time, and that's a blessing you can't ignore. But here's the catch, to make those gains pop, you need consistency, enough protein, and good sleep. Let's talk about that next. 4. Nutrition, fueling your 30-minute transformation. If you want your 30-minute workouts to shine, nutrition is your secret weapon. Most people overestimate their protein intake, thinking that chicken and rice meal is packing 30 grams of protein when it's closer to 18. That's the difference between building muscle and stalling out. But don't worry, there's an easy fix. Meet Cal AI, an app that makes tracking your meals a breeze. Just snap a photo of your food, and it calculates your calories and macros instantly, no weighing or typing required. From my experience, it's super accurate. I just double-check the ingredients and add anything it might miss. For you precision folks, Cal AI has a massive food database with thousands of items for exact calorie and nutrition tracking. And for those late-night snacks? The built-in barcode scanner makes logging a snap. Here's a little gift for you, download Cal AI and use the code YELLOWDUDE for 3 days free. When you know exactly what you're eating, those 30-minute workouts become a powerhouse for change. Let's make every bite count. 5. Making 30 minutes count, your calisthenics blueprint. So, how do you make 30 minutes work magic? It's not about rushing through random exercises like you're late for a train. It's about choosing smart, compound movements that hit multiple muscle groups at once. Think pull-ups, push-ups, dips, squats, and planks. These cover nearly every major muscle without a single machine. Here's how a 30-minute session could look, and trust me, it's simple and scalable. Warm up, 3 minutes, wake up your body with dynamic stretches, arm swings, light squats, maybe some torso twists. Nothing fancy, just get moving, especially if you're feeling stiff from that morning coffee slump. Main compound work, 15 to 18 minutes. This is where the transformation happens. Do pull-ups or inverted rows to sculpt your back and biceps. Push-ups or dips for your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Body weight squats or lunges to build strong legs and a solid core. Focus on form, not speed, you're building a better you. Accessory work, 6 to 8 minutes. Add some core holds like the hollow body or L-sit to carve those abs. Try diamond push-ups for extra arm work or grab resistance bands for curl variations if you're feeling fancy. Cool down, 2 to 3 minutes, stretch it out, shake it off, and breathe deeply. You're done, and you're awesome. Do this 3 times a week, and you've already hit the health benefits from that 2002 study. Bump it to 4 or 5 times a week, and you're stacking enough volume to build a physique you'll be proud of. It's that simple, and it's a blessing to know you can do this anywhere, anytime. 6. The limits. What 30 minutes can and can't do. Let's keep it real, 30 minutes a day is incredible, but it's not a magic wand for every goal. If you're a beginner or just want to be healthy, lean, and strong, 30 minutes is more than enough. That's most of you out there, and you're going to see progress, feel amazing, and ditch the "I need hours" excuse. But if you're aiming for a bodybuilder level physique, competing in sports, or mastering advanced calisthenics moves like the planche or muscle up, you'll need more time, sets, and practice. Even in 30 minutes, you still need progressive overload, adding reps, harder variations, or more sets over time. But for most of us, 30 minutes is a sweet spot that delivers real results without stealing your life. 7. The key to change. Consistency is everything. So, can 30 minutes a day really change your body? The research says absolutely. For health, even less than 30 minutes a week lowers your risk of disease and helps you live longer. For physique, 30 minutes a day, especially with calisthenics, builds real muscle and strength, especially when you pair it with proper nutrition and consistency. Here's the truth, 30 minutes once in a while won't cut it. But 30 minutes, week after week, adds up to a stronger, leaner, healthier you. You don't need a perfect 2-hour gym block that never comes. You have 30 minutes, and that's enough to start today. Stop making excuses, start where you are, and watch your body transform. You've got this, and that's a blessing you can carry forward every single day. Thank you for joining me today. Now go grab those 30 minutes and make them yours. You're stronger than you know.